Okay, so we are working on section 8.5, rentals and condos. So how do I determine what type of place I want to live in? So that's what we're working on today. Um, so we're going to work on that. Okay. So maintenance fees. Okay. So say that they have a monthly fee of $196, which is 15% of this fee. Covers the monthly property taxes. So it depends on the HOA. They usually do where they're, so all the grounds, they'll do maintenance for that. So homeowners association, HOA fees. Sometimes they'll cover even like water, sewage, and trash. It's a lot of different things that they'll cover. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and multiply. Okay, so we're going to multiply the 196 times 15 because we want to figure out what's the yearly property taxes. So we get $29.40. That would be per month. We go ahead and multiply that times 12. So we get, so our yearly property taxes are $352.80 a year. Okay, so that's our annual property taxes. So what's the yearly property taxes? Okay, so you might need that for your 1040 form to fill out your taxes. Okay. Okay, so, and then we have another one. So let's say that the monthly maintenance fee or the HOA dues is $108. Okay. 20% goes towards property taxes. Okay, and we want to know what are the annual taxes, so the annual property taxes. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and calculate that out. So we're going to go ahead and do, so 108 times 20% as a decimal, so 20 hundredths, times 12. So everybody, this is how to do it all together at once. So we get $259.20. Okay, so let's say that you live in a co-op. So there's 50,000 shares. You own 550 shares. Okay, so this is for the co-op shares, and you want to know what percent do you own? Okay, so we're going to do part over whole So 550 over 50,000 times 100, because we want to get the percent. And I get 1 1/10%. Okay, let's do another example, everybody. Let's say that you owned, there was 10,000 shares altogether. And you own 86 shares. Okay. What percent do you own? We want to know what's the percentage that you own. Okay, so part over whole, so 86 over 10,000 times 100, and we get 0.86 hundredths percent. Okay. Okay, so as we know, we have a formula to figure out, like, so rent, if you're looking at renting a place and the rent increase, raised to the D minus 1. Okay, so R is the yearly rent. A is the initial rent. I'm going to put it on here. When I say yearly, everybody, you could also do monthly instead. And then B is going to be the rate of increase. Okay, so we're going to have for this, so we're going to have monthly. Okay, so, and then D is the number of years. Okay, so we got this, everybody. So we have R is equal to, okay, so let's say everybody, and the question that we're trying to answer, everybody, is what will be the rent in 2 years with a 3% increase, okay? So what will the rent be in 2 years with a 3% increase? Okay, so let's go ahead and figure that out. Okay, so we're going to do the amount. So we have, so we're paying $620 in rent. 1 plus. B, remember, is the rate of increase. So we're going to do 3% as a decimal, so 300ths. D is the number of years. Okay, so 2 is the number of years. Okay, and R we did was 620. Okay, so it's going to be 2 minus 1, just be 1. So the rent, remember, we always round to the cents place. We get $657.76. Remember, put this in Desmos.com scientific. Okay, let's do another example, everybody. So let's say that the rent is $915 and a 5% increase every year, and we want to know what the rent will be in 5 years. Okay, so what will the rent be in 5 years? Okay, so let's go ahead and figure this out. So we're gonna use our formula. So rent is equal to, okay, it's the rent amount 1 plus the rate of increase as a decimal, and then it's going to be the number of years minus 1, because we're already using that initial year. So rent's going to be equal to 915, 1 plus 5% as a decimal. Okay, so this is A, this is B, This is going to be D. So everybody remember, identify the variable. So 5% is a decimal. And then we're going to get 5 minus 1. So we get rent is equal to 1,112 and 19 cents. Okay, everybody, we got this.